Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from the Little Programmer. Today we're going in this tutorial we're going to learn Python, and today we're going to start with downloading Python as a language on the computer and also downloading Visual Studio Code for the ones who didn't watch my previous videos. Okay, so here we can search download Python on the internet, and then we can come here and show for downloads for the people who have Windows or Mac. And here download we can click Python. The latest version will be shown here for Windows, and once it's downloaded, set up Python. Now to download Visual Studio Code, search VS Code on the internet, VS Code download on the internet, or Visual Studio Code, and then click download for Windows. There's also download for Mac and Linux. For the people who weren't able to download it on from the internet, you can download it here. If you have Windows from the Microsoft Store, you can here download the latest version. Once you have both Python and Visual Studio Code downloaded, click Ctrl Shift P to run commands, and then search Python interpreter to, and then select the latest version to show the Visual Studio Code that you will use the latest version. Once you have written the command Python interpret, select interpreter for the latest version. Now we can create a new file here and then name it. I'm going to name it hello world, and then write py.py at the end to show the VS Code that we're going to use Python, not any other language. And then click enter. Now we're going to write a really simple code. You write print brackets, and then write hello world. Now you can click Ctrl S to save it. Now to run the code, there is a really simple way. You can click here to run the run Python file, and then here it's going to show us hello world as the file that had been run, this file. Thank you guys for watching this video, and please click the subscribe button, and the links for the websites we use today to download VS Code and Python are in the description, and see you next time.